Today we have the Everyday Earbuds we will be actually unboxing from Raycon. These were given to me in a bulk order and the price is a little hefty. So I really want to get down to what this product definitely shows in the value. Now, when it comes to face value, the packaging is beautiful. And if you guys don't know, in this channel, we literally rate these products in 3 categories. We rate from 1 to 10, the packaging, the product, and also the price. So let's get into the unboxing. Let's see if this was worth actually flipping. And also guys, make sure you stay, like, and comment. And let me know the next products you guys want me to review. Let's unbox these. We have our scissors and we also have our headphones. So these are the Raycon, the Everyday headphones, and I'm excited to unbox these. Short little story on these is we actually got these from a supplier. I used to sell Raycon headphones and then I stopped because they didn't seem appealing to me, but these actually seem pretty good. But as you see, this is how they literally come. This is the first time me opening them, excuse me, and they were falling out. I don't like that, right? So it doesn't look like they have a seal on them. They are magnetic, right? So obviously you see how the box is magnetic, but I do think that maybe a customer could open it the wrong way and the headphones can come out. I thought I needed this to actually break the seal, but I guess not. Now, talking about packaging, to be completely honest, I love it. I think that this is something that sticks out. I think Raycon has always had really good packaging, but the issue I probably would have is just that little situation where it doesn't seem to be sealed. Now, as far as the back, it says easy to pair, take phone calls, charging case, battery life is up to 6 hours on a single charge. The charging case seems to last 24 hours. Okay, great. Cool. Now, I will be honest, Raycon is a product that does promote a lot. You'll see a lot of commercials and also a lot of affiliates. This is not an affiliate video. I am not an affiliate of any product that I am actually listing. Most of the products that I actually sell, I source myself, and also most of the products I do reviews on, I source myself. So you won't see any paid reviews. And also I don't need to hype up any of these products to get sales because that's not the point of this channel. First, when we are looking at the pamphlet, it says, welcome to the next wave. I will say branding is a 1. Now, taking this pamphlet out, it does seem to have some quality, right? And it seems like they still have Ray J's signature, even though this is no longer Ray J's company. Now, it does seem like these are easy to follow instructions. So we're gonna give the packaging, as you know in the videos, we do packaging reviews. So we give a package rating, we give a product rating, and then we give a pricing rating, okay? As far as packaging so far, it's looking at a 7, but I won't give an official review until we look at everything. All right, so we see that these are the buds. The buds feel really good, very light. I like that. This is a very small charging case. Now, as you see, I'm 6'2". My hands are pretty big. These are definitely really small. These can slip out of my pocket very fast. Shoot, my keys fall out my pocket usually, right? Then it's this box. I'm not sure what's in this box. I would assume a charger. So let's open this box and see. Okay, so it looks like this is a flat, this is a flat USB to micro cable. Now I'm going to expose this. If you see any product that you're using not have a Type-C charger, in my opinion, that shows that it is slowly charging. So micro is slow charging from all of my experience. Maybe I may be wrong. When we do our review as far as me utilizing this throughout an everyday process, maybe I could say that the charging is fast, but the micro SD charger shows me that this isn't a high quality headset, to be honest. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Now, this is definitely something to be rewarded, or me to say great job, because there's not a lot of headphone suppliers that have this type of packaging as far as with the earbuds, which probably are because they have a low grade charger connected to it. But okay, it looks like you have one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 sizes. All right, that's good. This is really, really good. All right, now this, I would say, would have bumped it up to like an 8 for me with the packaging. But see, maybe I shouldn't even say, yeah, because just because it's a micro SD doesn't mean that the packaging goes down, right? It does have a rubber band on it. It is tied up correctly. I'm gonna put the packaging from a 7 right now to an 8 because this right here blew me away. I would say 8.5 to be honest, because it's very clean, very crisp. If you have a store, I think the biggest fear is that somebody could just rip this open and steal it, unless the one I got just didn't have a seal, right? It should be a little seal right here. But other than that, as I just showed you, there's nothing on the back of it. Great, cool. All right, so with packaging, we'll do an 8.5. Now, let's talk about the product before we even talk about the price. Now, these Raycon headphones, the everyday headphones, I'm assuming this is for everyday use. Now, opening this up, this is nice. I like it. It definitely feels simple, like your standard earbuds, right? Now, yes, they snap in, very strong magnetic connection. I do applaud that. Feels like quality as far as the earbuds for sure. You don't want earbuds that are too heavy. These do not seem heavy at all. These seem very light and also very aerodynamic. Like they have a curve to them. You can tell they'll stick right in your ear and won't fall out. I like that as well. Now, we are not doing a test as far as audio right now. You can continue to follow the series and you will hear my review on the audio and also my review on reselling these as well. Now, this product, honestly, I can tell it is definitely for right now quality. Oh, and it's a button right here. So these are buttons? Wait. These are buttons. So you can click the R and I'm assuming it does something, okay? So that is really cool. You don't really see that. Well, I don't see that with buds. So that's really good. I like this. I think that this, in my opinion, would definitely get a 9 because again, this is very lightweight. Now, no, I would say it would get an 8 because I like when you can actually see if the headphones are charging. Now, it is a button here, but there's no LED light that I see right now for me to tell if these are charging. I don't like that, okay? I like my charging case to let me know when my earbuds are fully charged or when they are dying, and this does not seem to do it. And again, guys, this is just a face value test and review. Maybe I may be proven wrong, but we're at an 8 as far as the product. We have everything here. Speaking of the product, I want to recap. For the packaging, we are at an 8.5. For the product, we're at an 8. Now, pricing. So if I'm going to break down the pricing, what ended up happening was I inquired about these headphones because I saw these from the supplier. Supplier did not actually want to sell me these because of the price point that they actually are selling these at. It's really high, right? So I was able to buy a certain amount, get the price down, and the price that I was able to get these for was $40 because I didn't buy a large quantity. Now, he said if I brought a large quantity, I probably can get it down to around $35. Now, that is a really good price point for the Raycon headphones, especially since these are selling for around $40 to $60 retail. I'm talking online and also in person. Now, these are actually products that are in stores. So if you are reselling these, you would have a name brand product that you're actually able to push with a healthy profit margin. Now, with that all being said, my rating on the pricing would be a 7. I don't like the fact that I have to pay anywhere around $30 for any pair of headphones. I'd rather pay $20 or less, as I'm sure this is what my supplier probably has to pay, whether they are creating it or buying it themselves from another supplier, right? So I'm not boo-boo the fool, and I do know for a fact that these are cheaper headphones, but I know they have to make money, right? So I definitely was going to rate it a yeah, I'll do a 7 for the pricing because I feel like the pricing could be better. So guys, that is going to be the review on the unboxing. This is a product I'm excited to use, but guys, make sure you check out my other review video with the Raycon gaming earbuds because this is something I can't wait to break open and actually show you, as I'm excited. I game often and I don't ever remember or recall gaming earbuds. Now, yes, gaming headphones, but earbuds? Well, let's go ahead and unbox these. Make sure you guys go ahead and click on the video somewhere around on the screen so you guys can see exactly how much I got these for. They were more expensive than these, and also what these actually come with. Because I'm not gonna lie, they look pretty sleek. I ain't gonna open them. You gotta watch the next video. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys are checking our wholesale website out where all resellers can get products without any business license, resellers permit, or even your EIN. It's wesply.com where you can get your products wholesale and focus on the profit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.